I was in dire need of a space to house all of my planner supplies, all of my financial items. So I created this beautiful cart here, and it's like an office on wheels, a stationery. It holds it all. So let me share how I created this with this beautiful, inexpensive cart from IKEA. In the near future, I will add some decorative boxes to place those planner supplies inside of it to house it, to make it a more finished look. Okay, here is the little something cart from IKEA. It just had little knickknacks on it. I'm going to remove these items and then we're going to take it and put it downstairs. I love it. It's so compact and it's on wheels. Okay, so here's the cutie right here. I got her all cleaned up and I brung her down here. I think it's going to be a perfect addition. Here, I'm going to place it right here in my little corner. That box has nothing in it. It's just been sitting there. It's well made, it's inexpensive, it has wheels. You can use it for so many different items. I'm gonna be personally using it for my planning, my budgeting, all that good stuff, because look at it. I absolutely love it. And the wheels are so perfect. They roll, they're 360 wheels, so they don't just have to go one way. You can maneuver the cart any direction. It's gonna be so perfect. So even when I sit on the couch and hang out with, you know, maybe Darnell, or we watching a movie, I can just roll the cart right beside the couch. It's gonna be so perfect. And then so I just wanted to pop on, give you this idea. I know so many people raved about this cart. Limited on space and you need to use vertical space. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, I hope this helped someone. If you're looking to just add a little bitty station, a little desk on wheels, or you know, whatever you want to use it for. All right, I hope this helps, and stay tuned for many more. Thank you so very much for rocking out with me, and I will speak to you guys very, very soon. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, comment, like, and share, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye for now.